Uh, Hello everyone, welcome to Cinetes with Praneeth. This is your host Praneeth Samaiya, where entertainment meets insight. And today we have a charismatic, the talented Tanuj Virvani, who does not need any introduction because we have known him from Inside Age, from Cartel, from Murshid, from Kodem, and that's what. Let's Meet is coming tomorrow, and today he is with us discussing about the films and about some more gossips and his entire life. So Tanuj, please welcome on the show, and we are really
Well,
appreciating you over here. And
Praneeth, firstly, thank you so much. आपने कह तो दिया कि I don't need any introduction, but then you gave me such a amazing धमाकेदार introduction. तो उसके लिए please thank you very much.
it's completely.
हमेशा अच्छा लगता है, when the interview gets off to a nice flying start, यार. So you give me just हीरो की एंट्री की तरह आपने मुझे
No, because
introduction दिया.
I have seen your web series, I have seen your movies, but मुझे वो जो लगता है ना कि वो एक जो जील होना चाहिए, जो करिश्मा होना चाहिए, हम इंटरव्यू कर रहे हैं सिर्फ इस वजह से मैं नहीं कह रहा हूँ, बिकॉज मैंने मेरे सोशल मीडियाज में भी देखा है, जब मैंने कल क्वेश्चन
जी.
किया था कि लोगों से कि तनुज के बारे में, इफ यू वांट टू आस्क समथिंग, देयर वर द फ्लड्स ऑफ क्वेश्चंस फॉर मी to ask
Oh,
from you. So
right.
that shows the character you have, that shows the audience connection which you have. So
जी.
let's start. I have some very good questions with you, and hope we'll have a nice conversation for the next few minutes.
Looking forward to it, Praneeth. Let's
Yeah.
go.
So I want to know that being your mother, being a renowned actress, Rati Agnihotri ji. So
जी.
is there any challenge because you are coming with a tagline that you have been the son of a very known actress? You have something like, yes, there's a pressure of
So,
something the name.
honestly, I think when you are related or you are the son or daughter of a major star or someone who has done very well for themselves in the fraternity, चाहे वो कैमरे के सामने हो या कैमरे के पीछे, it is
Yes.
definitely a double-edged sword. Advantages ये है कि आपको शायद पहला अच्छा मौका मिले जो आउटसाइडर को शायद नहीं मिले. You get
Yeah.
certain amount of access and accessibility within the industry क्योंकि लोग आपके पेरेंट्स को रिस्पेक्ट करते हैं, कदर करते हैं और because of that they are willing to meet you, give some kind words to you, advise you, guide you, all these things. And वो hype भी ज्यादा रहती है ना, because they're like, oh, so and so's son, so and so's daughter is making their debut, so definitely hype is there. But
Correct.
इसके pitfalls ये भी होते हैं कि यार वो थोड़ा comparisons ना unfair हो जाते हैं because they expect you to be as good or better than what your famous parent was in their 10th or 11th film जबकि आपकी पहली पिक्चर ही है. And God forbid आपकी पहली पिक्चर नहीं चली, which happened in my case.
Yes,
Then
you saw
straight
here.
away the same people who were giving you and showering you with so much praise and love, the knives come out, the gloves really come off, and then you really have to start not from zero but from like -10. मेरे साथ मैं honestly personal experience से बात कर रहा हूँ. मेरे जो पहले 2-3 पिक्चरें आई थी वो पिट गई बॉक्स ऑफिस पर, वो नहीं चली, क्रिटिसिज्म काफी मिला. इट वाज अ वेरी स्टीप लर्निंग कर्व. तो शुरुआत के दिनों में आई वाज आल्सो क्वाइट taken aback and I was not expecting such an adverse reaction, because till the day of the release everyone's like, oh, he can do very well and he's got that charm and he's got what it takes, and literally the conversation changed to he has nothing, he does not have what it takes. So I had to really, जब आप बचपन में हम लोग ये बोर्ड गेम खेलते थे ना, स्नेक्स एंड लैडर्स, तो एवरी टाइम आपको लगता है कि आप लैडर से ऊपर जा रहे हो, फिर एक सांप आके ढस लेता है and then you go back down.
Correct.
So my journey's kind of been like that. But no complaints, yaar. I'm very proud to be my mother's son, and my hope and intention has always been to kind of take that beautiful legacy that she has built over 35 years across so many different industries in India, and to take that ahead. At the same time, carving my own niche for myself. I don't want to be an extension. I don't want to always be known just as her son. I would like to be known
Correct.
as Tanuj Virvani as well.
Yes.
And I think to some extent, at least, I'm making some
Maybe.
movement in the correct direction.
Yes.
And
Yes, absolutely.
maybe my journey is such that my rise has not been meteoric, as in there's not been like an overnight success or overnight stardom. But I think it's definitely been steadily moving in the right direction. So I look at my journey as less of a 100-meter sprint and more of as a marathon. जी.
अगर तनुज विरवानी एक्टर नहीं होता तो क्या होता?
अगर एक्टर नहीं होता तो मैं शायद एडवर्टाइजिंग में होता यार, बिकॉज मैं बचपन से काफी क्रिएटिव रहा हूँ, एंड इन फैक्ट आई डिड एडवर्टाइजिंग आल्सो जब मैं कॉलेज में था. सो आई हैव ऑलवेज बीन क्वाइट fascinated by how you need to sell a product within a very finite period of time, or like with so little you have to convey so much, you know. So maybe advertising, direction and writing is also something that really interests me. शायद आगे जाकर भी मैं behind the camera जाना चाहूँगा अगर मौका मिले तो, and the timing is right. So yeah, but whatever I do and whatever I will do in my life, I think it will definitely be in the creative domain.
ओके, आपकी
ठीक है.
मूवी तो कल रिलीज होने वाली लेट्स मीट, ऑडियंस से, क्रिटिक्स से उसको अच्छे रिव्यूज मिल रहे हैं, होप ऑडियंस भी
हाँ.
पसंद करेगी। तो वो रोल प्ले करने के लिए जो आपने प्ले किया है लेट्स मीट, उसके लिए आपको क्या चैलेंजेस फेस करने पड़े?
फर्स्टली तो मैं ये कहना चाहूंगा कि मैं बहुत खुश हूँ, बहुत रिलीव्ड हूँ कि आई थिंक अब तक जितने भी 10-12 रिव्यू आ चुके हैं, 3-3.5 स्टार तो हमें मिल ही रहा है, विच आई थिंक इज वेरी गुड बिकॉज सी दिस इज अ स्मॉल फिल्म बट इट्स गॉट अ बिग हार्ट एंड आई
अरे
फील द वे फॉर दिस फिल्म टू फाइंड इट्स राइट ऑडियंस इन द थिएटर्स एंड इवेंचुअली ऑन ओटीटी इज बाय वर्ड ऑफ माउथ. तो जब आप सब हमारी पिक्चर को रिव्यू अच्छे देते हैं एंड दिल से देते हैं, यू नो, लाइक बिकॉज you'll actually find there are some merit, some good things in the film, then it really is a big boost, you know, because we are not looking at some massive opening. It's not like a film which has got an like a crazy amount of face value, but it definitely has uh, a USP as a very very novel, हटके modern day love story, जिसके साथ मेरे हिसाब से आजकल की यूथ बहुत कनेक्ट कर पाएगी.
कनेक्ट करेगी।
बिकॉज अभी कुछ ही 2-3 साल पहले हम जिस दौर से गुजरे, विदाउट गेटिंग इनटू स्पेसिफिक्स क्योंकि मुझे बोलने से मना किया गया है, बट whatever was happening in
करेक्ट
the
करेक्ट।
world and stuff and all, you know. So I feel a lot of people will be able to identify. Personally, मैं भी इस कहानी के साथ काफी identify कर पाया, and that's the reason I said yes to the film in the first place. And I'm hoping and praying कि the love keeps coming in. It has been a very very gratifying time, you know. जब अभी अभी तो 2025 शुरू हुई है, and जब आपका नया साल एक अच्छे नोट पर शुरू होता है, it definitely gives you a lot of confidence, you know.
करेक्ट।
So looking forward to something fantastic. Yes.
और सबसे अच्छी बात है मूवी की रिलीज का टाइमिंग, द वैलेंटाइन वीक, द मॉडर्न डे लव स्टोरी, आई एम डेफिनेटली श्योर दैट ऑडियंस विल डेफिनेटली गो फॉर इट।
Yeah, you know, so for that, I would definitely want to congratulate and compliment our producers. They've obviously seen the film, they believe in the product, and उन्हें लगा कि यार Valentine's Day. Okay, I would say Valentine's Day. This is more like the week leading up to Valentine's Day. I believe our film is releasing on Rose Day. So it all, you know, so it's that time when I think love is in the air, and
True.
I think this is a film which is tailor-made for young adults and for couples, and hopefully they will come out in large numbers and support this film. So we have a nice healthy run, and then उसके बाद OTT पे तो आएगी.
Correct. But the song the 24 घंटे is also popular and trending on reels and
So it's really funny, right? Because there's no lip sync in the film. So जब हम shoot कर रहे थे, I did not even know that's the song. I was just told there's going to be a montage romantic song with boy and girl in their respective lives, leading in their respective homes. So I didn't really know what the song sounded like. Then later on, I think when I was dubbing for the film, they made me listen to a scratch, and I instantly was able to connect with it, you know.
Yes.
There's this beautiful line I read recently. They said that when you're happy, you hear the music, but when you're sad, you listen to the lyrics.
Yes.
And the beauty of that song is it's got melody, but it also has amazing lyrics to back it up. So I feel it is a song for all seasons, irrespective of what your current state of mind is. And I think that's what separates the truly memorable songs from everything else.
Correct. Absolutely right. Apart from the OTT platforms, you have been renowned names in the OTT platforms now because of the various and the very good projects which you have done. But क्या लगा, क्या शिफ्ट हुआ आपका बॉलीवुड मेन स्ट्रीम सिनेमा से OTT में आने के लिए?
यार अपॉर्चुनिटीज नहीं मिल रहे थे ऑनेस्टली. मेरे पहले 2-3 फिल्में नहीं चली बॉक्स ऑफिस पर, एंड अराउंड दैट टाइम मुझे कास्टिंग कॉल आया इनसाइड एज के लिए, एंड आई एम लाइक व्हाई नॉट, यू नो. Amazon एक्सेल, विवेक ओबरॉय, ऋचा चड्ढा, इतने अच्छे अच्छे कलाकार इससे जुड़े थे ऑलरेडी. सो आई वाज लाइक ये ट्राई तो बनता है. सो आई ऑडिशन फॉर दैट, एंड द रेस्ट एज दिस इज हिस्ट्री. वो जाकर इट बिकेम द फर्स्ट इंडियन created show to be nominated for the International Emmy Awards. And yeah, from there I think, you know, a lot of new doors opened for me in the OTT space here. So you know, मैं यहाँ पे हूँ सिर्फ inside edge की वजह से. मैं अभी भी यहाँ पर हूँ. I look at that as my fresh start, as my second innings. And yeah, you have to make the best of whatever opportunities come your way. अभी पिछले साल I had a theatrical release after very long. योद्धा करके एक फिल्म आई थी धर्मा के लिए.
सिद्धार्थ मल्होत्रा.
You know, now we've got Let's Meet, and भगवान की कृपा से I've got a few other nice shows as well as films. You know, कुछ OTT के लिए, कुछ theater के लिए. So yeah, just doing the best with whatever opportunities life gives me.
Yeah, I have seen in the next on Netflix India season that
Yeah.
season
So
two.
ironically, that was a truly special day because not only was I out for promotions for Let's Meet, Netflix simultaneously was also announcing Rana 92. So I'm very excited about that project as well. Yeah.
As you told, means OTT is giving more opportunities to the talented actors and the talented people, and as compared to the mainstream cinema.
Yeah. Actually, it's been a wonderful platform. It's been a wonderful kind of stage and a melting pot of talent and culture between OTT, films, theater, television. So it's this amazing place जहाँ पे सब आके बीच में मिल जाते हैं. And there's so many times जब मैं ensemble Starcast का हिस्सा बनता हूँ, and I just like look around set and I'm like, wow, I've literally got A plus talent from mainstream movies, from curated by OTTs, from theater and from television. So I love it. I think it's a wonderful platform, and we should all consider ourselves extremely lucky that we are living and breathing in this time. Technicians, artists, actors, everyone, all of us.
I completely agree because I've seen those things and I've seen.
And not to forget, Praneeth, even the audience, right? Because suddenly, like, you have so much more,
content.
choice and different content. Like, it's not necessary कि like सबको एक type का खाना पसंद हो. So suddenly you've got things which are made for different audiences, and that is a beauty. पहले the moment we would do something different, it would be called alternate. Now it's like, yeah.
Obviously, OTT has given the opportunity for everyone, even for the audience, to get more and more involved into different contents and
Right.
different things.
Right.
What about next projects apart from Let's Meet and Rana Naidu 2?
So apart from Rana and Let's Meet, I've got a show with Applause. It's tentatively titled DAU Domestic Anti-Terrorism Unit. उसमें Rahul Devi शामिल है. It's a gritty Mumbai-based cop saga. A lot of action, a lot of thrills.
Okay.
So very realistic. So I'm excited about how you guys react to that. I've got this film called Johnny Jumper, directed by Saurabh Verma, who made Mickey Virus. It's also got Vijay Raz, Prijinder Kalra, Zakir Hussain, and Zarina Wahab. I'm playing the title character. मैं भोपाल का एक केबल ऑपरेटर हूँ, who is also an undercover operative for the local police over there. और वहाँ पे कुछ घटनाएं घटती हैं, उसके बाद 48 घंटे के अंदर they have to solve the mystery. So it's like a comic thriller caper, very Guy Ritchie-esque sort of thing. It should be an OTT release. I've got this very cute film called Puppy Love with Rida Chaudhary, Divya Agarwal, and Nikki Tamboli. And I recently completed one interesting short film with Gajraj Rao titled The Interview.
Okay. So, how is life after becoming a father?
Best feeling, bro. The only thing is that I want to spend as little time as possible outside the house and as much time at home. I'm always thinking of my wife and of my daughter, and I want to come back home. But it's been truly beautiful, and a few years back, I was sitting with my Inside Edge showrunner Karan Anshuman, and he had just had a daughter, and he told me that day, he's like, when the moment you have a kid, if it's a girl, suddenly like your creativity goes to the next level. Suddenly your emotional quotient goes a lot higher. And now that this is happening to me so many years later, I completely resonate with what the man said. So it's been a beautiful journey, and I like every day is a blessing, and I'm just so happy. Yeah.
We are on the same page, bro. Because I also got a daughter.
You also became a dad?
Yes, I have a daughter 2 years.
Congratulations! Yeah, it is truly the best feeling in the world.
Exactly. It's a feeling you cannot describe in words.
And over here, see, because it is not legal in our country to find out what the sex of the child is before, which I think is actually cool because that surprise.
Exactly. That surprise element is needed. Yes. Absolutely.
Like, yeah. हम लोग को किससे मतलब है? We want a happy, healthy child. बस.
Yeah, exactly. It doesn't matter. Yeah, बिल्कुल.
Absolutely.
So let's have some rapid fire questions.
Please.
Yes. Your biggest guilty pleasure?
My biggest guilty pleasure is sitting in bed watching something on Netflix and binge eating. Very unhealthy habit.
Okay. One film you wish you would have been a part of?
Only one film, Badlapur.
Okay. Your dream role that you wish you haven't played yet?
Dream role that I wish I haven't. Ranbir Kapoor from Rockstar.
You would have loved to play that role.
Absolutely.
And one character or one artist you would like to work with more?
Work with or work with more? I would definitely say like for me there are three right up there: Ranbir Kapoor, Ranveer Singh, and SRK.
Any character or any actor which you have played with before, you want to work with her or him more?
So many, yeah. I had a great experience working with Jitendra Joshi, Ritwik, Neha Sharma,
Illegal.
Jennifer Wingate. So many of them, yeah.
Good him.
I
Yes,
mean,
yes.
honestly, it was a blessing and a gift to work with the entire ensemble star cast of all three seasons of Inside Edge. Supriya Pathak, ma'am. So many, yeah. Some of my unreleased films also, such as Rahul Dev. Zakir Hussain, Vijay Raj, Brigadier Kalra. There's so many, yeah. KK Menon, I worked with him recently on
Yeah,
Mushkil.
Mushi.
Fantastic
Mushi.
actor, fantastic
Exactly. I've
experience,
met him.
something I'll
Yeah.
always treasure. So ऐसे बहुत सारे हैं, ऐसे I'm not a trained actor. I've never been to film school, so I've always learned on the job, literally. So I'm like a sponge, like a baby. How our kids are imbibing and observing everything around us. मैं ऐसा ही हूँ.
It's if you are you are yourself, then you are doing the best on screen. That is what I personally feel.
Thank you. I try, and thank you with your compliments. It makes me want to go even harder with whatever I'm doing next.
Yeah, absolutely. Now we have around three questions. I've sorted out for the
Huh.
three questions from the audiences that who have asked.
I hope.
But
Wait, just give me a second. I think my battery is very low. Okay, I'm on 3%. It might go off suddenly, but yeah, let's continue. Yeah.
yeah, sure. Anushka Jain asked which popular role from the Bollywood you wish you would have loved to play once more.
Which popular role from Bollywood? I would
Yeah.
definitely have loved to play Ranbir Kapoor's character from Animal.
Okay.
Yeah.
Uh, Pooja Devnath says, "Hey Tanuj, my secret little crush, big fan. Want to know an update on Inside Edge season 4 and Codem season 3?"
Okay, so I unfortunately don't have any solid update. I know that there's talk that we want to, especially spoiler alert, but the way Code M2 ended, we definitely want to do another season to culminate that journey with the characters. And with Inside Edge again, I mean, it's such a large machine with so many people and so many approvals required. So I don't have an update, but hopefully I'll be meeting Karan Anshuman soon for the promotions of Rana Naidu. So I'll definitely pick his brains. और उसके बाद अगली time हम बात करेंगे, I will give you an update.
Surely, surely. The last from the fans, Divya Jain asked, your favorite co-star you love working with?
My favorite co-star, it would be very difficult for me and very unfair on my part to just say one co-star, but I've had a terrific experience working with Ritwik Dhanjani, with Neha Sharma, with Rashmi Desai, with Jennifer Wingate, with Vijay Raj, amongst a few, apna Gully Boy, Siddhant Chaturvedi, Angad Bedi. So that's a lot of them. Yeah, it's very, very difficult for me to say. I've had very unique experiences with so many of them.
Correct. In Tandoor, you had made and played a negative role. How
Yeah.
challenge that?
Oh man, it was very challenging. It was also, there was a lot of responsibility on my shoulders because that's the first time I played a character which was based on a real life incident and a real life person. So I did not want to glorify his actions. I wanted to play it as authentically as possible. And I also wanted to understand when someone loves someone, how can they do something so heinous?
Exactly.
So I went into a pretty dark space. We had a start to finish shooting schedule back in 2020 at the peak of the pandemic. So, anyways, everyone's mind was in a different place, and it was actually the perfect time for me to, kind of venture out and do a role such as Tandoor. So I just kept to my own for those 12, 13 days of shoot. I didn't talk to anyone. I put on a lot of weight. I tried to unlearn a lot of things about myself as an actor, as a person, and yeah, it took me some time to get out of that. I'm sure, as you can see, my acting and my look also was quite different on that show.
Correct. Any message for your fans and the listeners?
My only message is I love you guys. Thank you. I've recently completed 10, 11 years in the industry, and the only reason I'm still standing is because of y'all. So please keep supporting me, and I promise y'all I will always give it my best. Sometimes I will fail, sometimes I will succeed. But my number one goal in life is to always entertain you guys. And along with that, if I can enlighten you all a little bit with my work, then why not? But I love you guys. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Tanuj. It was an incredible session talking to you, and I really appreciate and I wish you the good luck for your movie. Let's meet.
Thank you, Praneeth. I'm looking forward to seeing how our film resonates with you, and I'm looking forward to meeting you in person, brother.
Surely,
Hopefully next
buddy.
time, whenever the opportunity presents itself, तो करेंगे कुछ.
Pakka. Thank you so much. Thank you,
Chalo,
Tanuj.
please give
Wishing
my
you
regards
all
to your
the best.
family and to your baby girl.
Surely.
I'll
Thank you
talk to
so much. Thank you, buddy. Thank you.
Thanks,
Wishing
buddy.
you all the
Thanks.
best. And to
Wishing you
all,
all the best as well.
yes.
Thanks.
And to
Bye.
all the listeners, stay tuned with us for the more entertainment was with Cinetas with Praneeth and for the more exciting updates and the journeys of the Bollywood industry's people. Till then, take care and wishing you all the very best. Thank you so much.